Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are like me and have to have as much light as possible while cooking, these E17 bulbs from SENAXTD are just the thing that I was looking for. So I have a microwave that has 2 light bulbs underneath, and they were just so dull and they were wearing down and I couldn't see anything when I was cooking. So I found these awesome replacement bulbs. Now these are an LED bulb, so they are energy saving and they are really, really bright. They were so easy to install and it makes a huge difference in my visibility when I'm cooking. I also love that they come in color choices, and I chose the warm white and I love the way that it looks. It's bright, but it is a natural looking light and I just really like the way that it looks. So you can see the difference in color in the lights from the old light bulb on the left to the new one on the right, which is a nice warm rich tone and is so much brighter. So if you are like me and you are struggling to see what you're doing and your over-counter microwave is in need of some new light bulbs, absolutely check out these ones. I am super happy with this product, and that is my point of view.